तो ये हम आए हैं मालम जबास पीसी होटल. You can see what a view from PC Hotel Malam Jaba, and you can see the building of PC Hotel. This is the building. The way they organized this all is really amazing. You can see cricket court. You can just book from here and book your timing, and you can enjoy cricket. You can enjoy swimming pool, and in this way, the way you see the view and the photography spot is really amazing. You can see amazing view with mountains, with snowfall, and then there are the houses for the residential people living here, the local people. This is really amazing. The way you can see the house are maintained, clean, and purely safety. And you can see the mountain views, the snowfall on the back end. It's really amazing. What a view. Speechless. Amazing. This is the structure of PC Hotel from the back, and we'll show you from the front too in the next video. You can see.